Antarctica, the name alone brings to mind a vast, empty landscape of white. It's the coldest, driest, and most isolated place on our planet. And because of that, it's also one of the least understood. Imagine a continent with almost no permanent residents, no bustling cities, no ancient towns. There's no native human population here, just endless ice, biting wind, and an almost absolute silence. But don't let that emptiness fool you. Beneath that thick, frozen shell, Antarctica hides some of the most surprising secrets on Earth. Let's start with the ice itself. More than 90% of all the ice in the world is locked up right here. Think about that for a second. If all of that ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by a staggering amount, completely redrawing the maps of our coastlines. From its remote corner of the world, Antarctica quietly holds immense power over the planet's climate, acting as a global thermostat. But the secrets don't stop at the surface. Deep beneath the ice, scientists have made an incredible discovery: hundreds of hidden lakes. We're not talking about small ponds. Some of these lakes are massive, like Lake Vostok, which is one of the largest on Earth, the most mind-boggling part. Some of these underwater worlds have been sealed off from the surface for millions of years, completely isolated from our atmosphere. What kind of life could have evolved in such an extreme, dark environment? Could these lakes hold clues to life on other planets, like Jupiter's icy moon, Europa? The possibility is thrilling. Now, here is a fact that might break your brain. Antarctica is technically the largest desert in the world. Yes, a desert. It seems contradictory with all that ice, but the definition of a desert is based on precipitation. And some regions of Antarctica, known as the dry valleys, haven't seen a drop of rain or a single snowflake for thousands, maybe even millions of years. The air is so cold and dry that snow and ice can't even accumulate. It looks like a frozen wasteland, but it behaves just like a hot desert, just with a much, much lower temperature. So you have a continent that is both the wettest, holding most of the world's fresh water, and the driest place on Earth. It's a land of incredible extremes. And the continent isn't static. It's alive. The ice moves. Massive glaciers, some the size of entire countries, grind their way towards the sea. But what's happening underneath is even more fascinating. Entire rivers of meltwater flow in channels hidden beneath the ice, unseen from above. These subglacial rivers lubricate the base of the ice sheets, affecting how fast they move and ultimately how much ice ends up in the ocean. And it's not just water under there. Entire mountain ranges, some as tall as the Alps, are completely buried under kilometers of ice. We've only been able to map them using ice-penetrating radar. It's an entire hidden geography locked away beneath the frost. Then there's the sound, or rather, the lack of it. Antarctica is one of the quietest places on Earth. Away from the research stations and the groaning of the ice, the silence is profound. It's so quiet that visitors have reported being able to hear their own heartbeat, the rush of blood in their ears. In our noisy, modern world, experiencing that level of pure silence is something few people will ever get to do. It's a quiet that feels both peaceful and unsettling, reminding you just how far you are from everything you know. Despite decades of intense scientific research, we are still just scratching the surface of understanding this continent. The complex interactions between its ice, the surrounding oceans, and the global wind patterns are systems so vast and intricate that they continue to challenge our best models. Antarctica doesn't feel mysterious because of myths or legends of lost civilizations. It feels mysterious because so much of it is still genuinely unknown. It's a real-life scientific frontier, a place where every new discovery opens up a dozen new questions. And because it holds so much power over our planet's future, understanding its secrets isn't just a matter of curiosity, it's a matter of survival. It is, without a doubt, one of the most important places on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you want to uncover more hidden facts about our world's most extreme and fascinating places, make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.